Cedric and Sally, the Saucy Seagulls from Promenade Promotions. These two daft puppets will delight and entertain everybody they meet, wherever they may be, on the promenade, in the park, a family fun day event, or even in the streets and markets. Cedric and Sally like to play with everybody they meet. They also like to tell them to look out for their chips, just in case the seagulls come and grab one when they're not looking.
Hey, come on, Cedric, out you get.
Cedric and Sally are bound to make you giggle, but also to squeal, because they can squirt water all over you when you're not looking. They're fun for all the family, and at any time of year, ideal for all the events that you may have on offer. See you soon, and remember, look out for those chips.